If you are holding XRP or any crypto for that matter, there is a massive move that is going to take place this week, and I have to tell you exactly where I think the market is going. You must understand something very big is going to take place, and you need to be prepared for it right now, because if you do not prepare and you do not understand how critical this time is for cryptocurrencies, you could miss out in the biggest move this year. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this emergency crypto video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. I'm going to get into the breaking news, but one thing you need to understand is that XRP, Ripple, they're trying to acquire Circle, a stablecoin, USDC. This is absolutely massive. You guys don't understand how big Ripple is, and XRP is their coin. They are going to be one of the biggest in the future in the payment space, and especially as it regards cryptocurrency. If Ripple gets USDC, that is going to be extremely bullish for the future of XRP and Ripple's business, of course, which will reflect in the price of XRP. This is absolutely massive. So this is breaking news, recently come out. Ripple is trying to buy USDC. That is crazy. On top of that, ladies and gentlemen, the crypto market is in a very, very interesting place as we have Bitcoin at key resistance. Bitcoin, if it continues to hold above this level, will be very bullish for all cryptos, and we could see another big leg higher this week. However, what I personally think is going to happen is I think Bitcoin is going to end up pulling back just a little bit to around 91,000, somewhere in this region here, because we do have a CME gap, and the market loves to fill all and any CME gaps before continuation higher. This is very, very important. Another thing to take note, if we take a look at Ethereum, we take a look at XRP, we take a look at another strong altcoin, Solana, a lot of these altcoins are starting to lose strength after this really, really strong bounce. I personally feel Bitcoin is on the very virgin precipice of pulling back, because ever since Friday, we have been pulling back aggressively, and that leads me to believe we are likely to fill that CME gap, which, if you notice, XRP has kind of been down only since the 28th of April. We've just been kind of slowly bleeding out. If Bitcoin does that pullback to the CME gap, which is not a big deal, by the way, completely normal, XRP might see again $2. This could be another buying opportunity for you, as I've sold the majority of my spot except XRP recently at that recent pump at the top. I'm looking to buy more spot altcoins on this next pullback and dip, which I think is extremely likely. So you guys better get ready, and most importantly, you need to be in the Patreon, where we are making a fortune with the trade alerts. You guys can copy all of my exact trades, future signals, spot trades, which make incredible amounts of money, and meme coins. If we get early access, I give them immediately to you all. So join the Patreon for that. The link for that is going to be in my video description, where you can also find a link to ALGOSNIPER. This trading indicator will tell you exactly when to sell and buy before every single major move. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. And as well, you also need to be trading over on Blofin. This is a platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. I make thousands of dollars a week with my community on this platform. I personally even know the CEO, but the reason why you guys want to be trading over here, you're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet, and you are also going to be able to get to a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link below. That's going to be it for this video. You guys better get ready. This week is going to be absolutely crazy. ALGOSNIPER is even flipping red on Bitcoin for the first time since the bottom here at 74K. It's going to be very interesting, guys. Get ready for my videos this week. Make sure you have the subscription with notifications on so you do not miss the next video. It's going to get crazy.